Hey, this is Samantha here from RecipeThis.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today we're going to show you just how easy it is to warm up your favourite Pop-Tarts using the air fryer. Before we share this amazing recipe with you, we recommend that you head over to RecipeThis.com. At the top of the site is a search bar, and you can search for any of our recipes that are featured on our YouTube channel. So this makes it really easy. So if you see one of our videos and you want step-by-step photos or a free printable recipe card, then that search box is amazing. And then if you scroll down below that, you'll be able to see our categories. And what you can do is, let's say you've got an Instant Pot, you can click on the link just for Instant Pot recipes. The same for the air fryer, slow cooker, soup maker, Thermomix, or whichever recipe you've got. And best of all, I highly recommend you enter your email address and sign up for our weekly newsletter. In our weekly newsletter, we feature all our latest recipes, as long as tips, tricks, popular previous recipes, and so much more. And we just really would like it if you join. And then when you do join, you can reply to any of our newsletters and you'll get direct email response from me or my husband Dominic, and it's just brilliant. You can also look through the archives of our entire site. So let's say you're looking for Christmas ideas, then you can look at December of the previous year or the year before that for some great ideas, search for our categories and do so much more. We've got 1,400 plus kitchen gadget recipes on Recipe This, and I just cannot wait to see you over there and welcome you to the Recipe This family. I've got the strawberry Pop-Tarts here, and they're just perfect for loading in the air fryer and for warming up, and you just don't need a toaster now, you've got an air fryer. The little packets here, so you open your air fryer basket and then grab out your yummy Pop-Tarts, spread them out like that in the air fryer basket, put it on, and you're looking for a temperature of 200 Celsius, that's 400 Fahrenheit, and a cook time of just 4 minutes, and then press start. 5 beats. Should we check on those Pop-Tarts? And wow, look at those. Don't those Pop-Tarts look amazing? Right, I'm just going to give these a minute or two to cool down because that's hot to touch. But they're just perfect and do the exact same job that the toaster normally does. So now the Pop-Tarts have had a few minutes, they've had a chance to cool. Well, I say cool, they're still warm, but you know, they're not gonna burn your tongue from the hot jam. And oh God, look at how good they look, warmed up in the air fryer. Oh. Honestly, it's like I've gone back to childhood. Pop-Tarts in the air fryer, absolutely brilliant. And if you also head over to RecipeThis.com, search Pop-Tarts, we've also got a recipe there for homemade Pop-Tarts as well as reheating your shop bought. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Recipe This family. You can find us on Twitter, Facebook and Pinterest. We also have a weekly newsletter at recipethis.com/newsletter, where we share with you our latest kitchen gadget recipes, what we're cooking in the Milner kitchen, and so much more. As well as this, we recommend that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and then whenever we have a new video, you will be the first to know. And if you want to know about all our future videos, then I recommend you hit the bell for instant notifications. But even better, we now have a podcast. It's called Magic with Gadgets. Simply search Magic with Gadgets on your favourite podcast player and you'll find us there.